Yes, students, take out page number 304 and see work example 5. This is our last case, the most easiest case. Construction of a triangle given one side and two angles. In this case, we will first draw the base of the triangle, then we will adjust our protector like this, then this, and we will draw the lines here. Our construction of triangle will be finished. So let's start. What is given to us? Construct triangle XYZ such that XY is equals to 9 cm, XYZ is equals to this, and YXZ is equals to this. See here, when you are given angle with the three elements and where you will see this gap and almost the central element will tell you that this is the respective angle. Is that clear? So see here, you are given XY is equals to 9 cm. So I am going to draw 9 centimeter, right? It's 9 centimeter XY. What is the next? The next is XYZ is equals to 38 degree. It means they are talking about this. Let's check 38 degree. 38 degree. Yes, this is almost 38 degree. See here. degree. Yes, see, this is almost 38 degree. If I will keep my center with the center Y, 38 degree. This is 38 degree, and we have drawn. This is our 38 degree angle. Now we have to draw the another angle. It's angle YXZ 67 degree. Put your protector here with the center Y. What is the angle? It's 67. See, 65, 60, 65, 67. Join the lines. So here our construction is complete. Now see what is our another task? Construct the perpendicular bisector of XZ. The most easiest task, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of XZ. Where is XZ? This is XZ. So here is our compass, and we are going to open our compass more than half of XZ, right? And we are putting the arc like this. With the center X and with the same radius, with the center Z, I am putting another arc. We are putting another arc with the center Z. Okay. Now with the same radius, we are going to put the another arc here. Okay. Like this. Is that clear? So this is our point O, and we are going to join it like there. Okay. Yes, according to the given, construct the bisector of XZY. So we have construct the angle bisector of XZY. Yes, now we have to construct the angle bisector of XZY. So here is our angle Z. Okay, this is our angle bisector. So open your compass of suitable radius and put the arc on both the arms like I am putting like this. Here maybe you will confuse, but I have changed the color. With the same radius I am putting another arc. This is my point A, this is point B, this is B, and with the center A I have put the arc this, and with the center B I am putting another, cutting that arc. So hence, see here, we have the angle bisector, and now I am going to join it. So this is point U, where bisector, perpendicular bisector and angle bisector meets. This is point U. Okay, So I hope you have understand. Hence this is the point U, which is the point of intersection of two bisector, the perpendicular bisector and the angular bisector. It's point U. Now what they are asking, complete the following statement. The point U is equidistant from the point dash and dash. Let's see it whether it is equidistant or not. It is equidistant from point 3.5 and this is 3.5. Hence it is equidistant from x and z and equidistant from the lines and equidistant from lines dash and dash. Let's see, they are equidistant from line xz, whether they are on the same distance. Xz u 2.5 and yz, yes, yz, yes, it has the same distance. So this is xz and yz. Friends, take out page number 304. We have already studied work example 5. Now we are going to discuss practice now 5. Here we have to do the same things as we have done in work example 5, but never forget to study and write down the steps of construction. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY is equal to this and angle Y is equal to this and angle X is equal to this. So for this triangle, I am going to draw the line XY of 8 centimeter here. So 8 centimeter, I have drawn the line 8 centimeter. Now the next step is to construct the angle of 56 and 48 degree. So with the center Y, I will construct the angle of 56 degree. Students, with the center Y, I am going to construct the angle of 56 degree. This is 55 and this is 56. So this is angle 56 degree. And angle X is 48 degree. With the center X, it's 48 degree, right? So 48 degree, 48, right? This is 48 degree. Oh, I'm going to just extend the line. Yes, students, here we are constructing the triangle. So I have drawn XY 8 centimeter and XYZ and YXZ. YXZ, the angle X equals to 48 degree. So I have already drawn it's 48 degree. Now the next angle I am going to draw is 56 degree. It's with the center Y. Draw angle of 56 degree, 50, and this is 56. So draw the angle and extend the line. This is angle 56. Here the construction of the triangle is complete. Okay. Our construction is completed. Now see the next task, construct the perpendicular bisector of YZ. This is YZ and we have to construct the perpendicular bisector. So open your compass more than the half of YZ. Okay. With the center Y, put the arc above. Oh my God. Stop करें. Put the arc with the center Y of the suitable more than half of the YZ above and below YZ. Now with the same radius with the center Z, cut the arc so I am going to join this. This is my bisector. This is point. This is also point. Let's join it and extend the line. Okay. See here. Construct the perpendicular bisector of YZ. Construct the angle bisector. Let it is my point A. Let this is B. Okay. let this is point, I'm not giving any point, see, let's see. Okay, construct the angle bisector of yxz. Angle bisector yxz, it means we have to make the bisector of x. So open your compass of suitable radius with the center x. Put the arc on both the arms of the angle. See? Now with the same radius put another arc. Let this is my point. Let this is point P, this is point Q, this is point P. With the center P, put another arc. With the center Q, with the same radius, cut the previous arc. Now see here, the point cut here, and this is let point O. Now let's join this O and X. कहाँ पे थे? स्टार्ट करें आप?
जी कर दिया.
Okay. See students, this is the point U where our angle bisector as well as the perpendicular bisector intersect each other. Now what is the question? These two bisectors intersect at U. Yes. Complete the following statement. The point U is equidistant from the points this and this. Let's see. If you will measure the points, this is 0.4, this is measurement of 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter. See here. Hence, the point U is equidistant from points Z and Y and Z, and equidistant from the lines XZ and XY. And this is what our property which we have learned in our previous lecture. Thank you. Don't forget to write the steps of construction. Your homework, question number, home task, question number 7, exercise 12A, question number 7, 12 and 13. Thank you students. For any query, please discuss on WhatsApp.